Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, another very simple, easy, midweek pasta. Today we're going to do bacon, mushroom, cream sauce with some spaghetti. Very, very easy. It's not going to take us long to get this together at all. It is delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So let's take a look at this really simple pasta. So I've got some spaghetti already cooked. I mean, you could be using any type of pasta that you want. I'm just using spaghetti. Get that ready because we're really going to concentrate on the sauce here. So, bacon, cut into nice small pieces. Onion, cream. Now I get lots of questions about the cream. I use a thick cooking cream. You can use a thin cream. Any cream's going to work for you. It won't make no difference if it's thick or thin. Mushrooms, I've cut mine really small. You can slice yours if you want or quarter them. But I've chopped mine really nice and small. Garlic, oregano. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. Add some salt and pepper. That is about it. All of the amounts of the ingredients are going to be in the text below. Let's get to the cooker. So very simple. I've got some olive oil in there. You could use a different oil if you want. We're going to put our onion in, cut nice and small, along with our bacon. Now when it comes to bacon, you could be using some pancetta or just bacon like I'm using. And you can use a smoked or an unsmoked. Up to you. What we're going to do on a high heat, we're going to throw this around for about 4 minutes, longer if you want it really crispy. Keep it moving, see you in 4 minutes. So that's about 4 minutes. I'm happy with my bacon like this. If you wanted it crispier or browner, go for another few minutes. We're now going to drop in our garlic and our mushrooms. Like I said, I've really cut mine really small. I like them in the mix like that. We're going to go for about another 4 minutes again on this high heat. Keep it moving. This is going to be absolutely delicious, really simple. Fantastic. Salt. Now go easy with the salt because the bacon's quite salty, or it can be, depends on what bacon you're using. I'm going to get that little bit of oregano in there. And again, if you wanted one of those mixed Italian herbs or fresh basil or dried basil, that's up to you. You can really muck around with the herbs and spices you use. Black pepper's going in now. I like a generous amount. One little mix. And next up we're going to drop in our cream. Like I say, I'm using a thick cream. You can use a thin or a thick cream. Makes no difference. As the heat goes through that cream, it's going to thin it out. Okay, I'll turn the heat down now to just below medium. And all the time, keep it moving just for 2 minutes. And there you go, we've got a beautiful bacon mushroom sauce. If you wanted, you could be putting in some Parmesan cheese in there. I'm going to drop my cooked spaghetti in. Grabbing another spoon and staying on this same heat. I'm going to work this in for about 2 to 3 minutes, folding it in there, and then I'll see you on the table once I've got it on a plate. We're done. Delicious. And there you go, done. I've just topped that off with a few dried chili flakes. I like that on there. Very simple, very easy. Like I say, hopefully that's going to be a nice midweek, easy dinner for you. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do give us a thumbs up. Do leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. We hope you're safe. We hope you're well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.